Hello there. Today we're doing a nature documentary on this wonderful place called beach. I'm currently using a gorilla tag and mic. I've muted everybody because otherwise they will be swearing. Because people in this lobby swear a lot. Now, gorilla tag is a very ferocious place where you could find all types of players. Top players, moderators, trolls, and noobs. Or average players. And I'm currently scouring the place called Beach. In today's documentary, we will be attempting to try and find a creature called the Annoying Person, which will appear. It seems that there's a flock up there. I will not talk to them, I will look at them. It turns out that I've found a non-tagged monkey about to get tagged. Watch as I get chased by a lava monkey. Now, escape getting tagged. It turns out this monkey is not fast enough and has got tagged. Now, let's see if I can attempt to communicate with them. But I feel I cannot because I muted everybody in this lobby. Hello there, please tag me. Please tag me. Okay. I have successfully communicated this creature. Let's find more creatures. Promise I will not interfere with their day-to-day lives. I will only watch and observe. If I happen to tag them, I'll be very sorry. So, let's look. Let's try and find this natural flock. Here is the flock. They seem to be conjuring about the board, music, and reporting people. They're probably saying a lot of slurs right now. They are probably scared of me. If I myself am a lava monkey, I will watch, not interfere with their lives. For they are very happy with their lives. Now, it is most common to find toxic players in infection labs. Now, I almost affected their lives. This doubt would have been very bad, for we are not allowed to interact with nature unless it is dear. And they have a chance of dying to unnatural causes. Dying to deer. So unless they are dying to unnatural causes, we cannot help them. As for our fellow nature documentarists, we will not interfere, but only interfere when threatened. Now, I have no clue what these people think. I do not speak monkey. I only can attempt to speak their language, for I do not want to bother them. As we can see here, a pink monkey walking through the wilderness, having the time of their lives. I do not know if it is male or female. Well, I know that it is having fun. It probably does not know that I've already muted everybody in this lobby, in case of them swearing. Just in case this video might get demonetized. Now then, it seems that there might be only one monkey left. Now, this map has a lovely range of creatures, such as creatures that can run in water, which I cannot in fact do. Don't know how, but I just can do it. Now, I have not yet to see any of those because I'm not in so-called competitive, where all of the alpha monkeys are chilling. And no, this is not one of those friendly trains, but the actual alphas, the pros of this game. Turns out that somebody has not been muted. This time, time for the muting. Right. Now let's just continue with our look out of these incredible, magnificent creatures. As you can see, they made pirate ships, but sadly they sunk. They've made buildings, sadly they broke. They've even made trampoline-like structures. Oh my goodness, this would be so bad if Yao could not hit. This is indeed nature documentary. Now make sure to look at the video properly before I post it. Otherwise, there might be some bad things happening in it. Now, does not turn out that there are any noobs among these monkeys. They're only normals and average. Let us go to a very high vantage point to see if we can see the last monkey. For it is dire now, then we tag him so that rounds the future. And I win. For this is not natural for a monkey. If you have to go this long, they must also be interfered by a human being, like myself. They must also be in a monkey neck. Now then, I found the monkey, or they are one of the alphas, aka the pros of the monkey neck, just chilling in one of the back. Yes, now, this is a board that is actually spinning. Let's try attempt to communicate with these monkeys. Once again, they know that I have muted them, so they may not talk back at me. Now, let's hope I can find the alpha again. For the alpha is the one meets lobby with this time not tagged. Let's find the alpha of this one and tag him, because he's been alive for too long. Does anyone else hear that ringing? No, just me. Right. I think I can see the alpha. Let's attempt. Let's go for an attempt of tagging. I have tagged him. Good job, my friend. I will now leave this documentary to the others. Have a good day, everybody. Now, always remember, this is only Gorilla Tag, and this is only the start of the nature documentary series. Next time, I will look at forest, particularly competitive forest, because that's where all the pros go. Goodbye. See you later.